Hello all, welcome to the day 35 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. A manufacturer produces three stationery products, pencil, eraser and sharpener, which he sells in two markets. Annual sales are indicated below. A table has been given which specifies the amount of pencils, erasers and sharpeners sold by A and B. The unit sale price of pencil, eraser and sharpener are rupees 2.50, rupees 1.50 and rupees 1 respectively. Let us take down this in a matrix form. Sale price matrix is 2.50, 1.50 and 1. The unit cost of the above three commodities are rupees 2, rupees 1 and rupees 0.50 respectively. So cost price matrix is rupees 2, rupees 1 and 0.50. Based on the above information, answer the following. Question 1. Total revenue of market A. So to get the total revenue, we have to multiply the quantity sold with the selling price. Selling price matrix is 2.50, 1.50 and 1. 2000 and 18,000. 2.50 times 10,000 plus 1.50 times 2000 plus 1 into 18,000. So each commodity is multiplied by its respective selling price. On calculating this, we get rupees 46,000. Answer is C. Question 2. Total revenue of market B. This is the same way as total revenue of market A. We have to multiply the selling price with the quantity sold. Selling price matrix is 2.50, 1.50 and 1. The quantity sold is 6,000, 20,000 and 8,000. 2.5 times 6,000 plus 1.5 times 20,000 plus 1 times 8,000. Calculating, we get rupees 53,000. Answer is B. Question 3. Cost incurred in market A. Cost incurred by market A is equal to the cost price matrix, which is 2, 1 and 0.50 multiplied by 10,000, 2,000 and 18,000, which is 2 times 10,000 plus 1 time 2,000 plus 0.5 times 18,000, which gives us 31,000. So the answer is D. Question number 4. Profit in market A and B respectively are. Profit in market A is equal to selling price minus the cost price. Selling price for market A is 46,000 minus the cost price is 31,000, which gives us 15,000. Out of the given answers, only A is suitable as it is 15,000 for A. Question number 5. Gross profit in both market. Now we know the profit for market A. We have to get the profit for market B. To get that, we have to calculate the cost incurred for market B also. Cost incurred in B is equal to cost price matrix into 6,000, 20,000 and 8,000. That is 2 times 6,000 plus 1 time 20,000 plus 8,000 into 0.50 times, which is equal to rupees 36,000. Profit in market B is equal to the selling price minus the cost price of market B. Selling price is 53,000 minus 36,000, which is 17,000. Gross profit is equal to profit of market A plus profit of market B, which is 15,000 plus 17,000, that is 32,000. So the answer is C. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.